And now we are moving forward to the next one is the Be-lase Leather Product Company Limited. And Calvin from Be-lase will have the live presentation with us, and then they can show you their latest collection. As you can see, they have different kind of product, a wide range of the product category. You can have the order with them of the small leather good, handbags, belt, or other wallets, or other small leather goods. So they provide a wide range of product, and I just have one of them you may interested in. So let's welcome Calvin.
Hello, Solo.
Hello,
Nice
Calvin. Yeah, I'd like to see you there. Okay, so Calvin, I just introduce yourself. Your company is provide a different kind of product, but can you just give us a detail actually what kind of product you are offering?
Hello, everyone. My name is Kevin Wang. I'm from Guangzhou Be-lase Leather Production Factories. Of products categories is abundant. A lot of leather production for lady and men could be manufactured by our factory. For example, PU handbags, genuine leather bags, luggage, cabin bags, nylon bags, waistband, and so on. A lot of products. Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell us about your factory? For example, the location of your company and the factory?
Yes, our factory located in Baiyun District, Guangzhou, China. It is 17 kilometers from here to the Baiyun International Airport. It just takes about 30 minutes by car. When you visit Guangzhou, we are able to pick you up from Hotel Wally Airport.
Okay. Yeah, so how about the size of your factory?
Our factory covers an area of 7,000 square meters. We have more than 200 workers. Most of them are technologists. There are 7 modernized production lines in our workshop. Many high-tech machines imported from Germany.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell us your production capacity? How many products can you produce per month?
Normally, our production capacity amounts for one month is 100,000 pieces handbags and 200,000 pieces waistbands. So there are 2 different kinds of products, include handbags and waistbands, and the small part of wallet. Yeah.
Okay, so do you have your own design team? Because I think this is one of the unique selling points for some trading company, because they didn't have the design team and they just depend on the factory. Do you have the design team and help them to design the product?
Certainly, we have our own powerful design teams. There are 8 designers, especially one of them comes from Korea. Normally, each month, there are over 70 new design handbags and 15 new designs waistbands developed by our designer team.
Okay, so if I'm the buyer, what kind of material can I choose from your company?
Usually, there are a lot kind of materials. It includes PU materials, genuine leather, cabins, nylon, and eco materials, and some other customized materials by our customer. Yeah.
Okay, and where did you source the material? Because it's important.
One part of them come from Guangzhou City. You know that there are 2 big materials markets in Baiyun and Huadu district. Many kinds of materials can be found there. The other parts come from Korea and Italy. For example, the high-grade generator import from these countries. Yeah.
Okay, but have those suppliers passed the compliance of Europe and US? So, yeah, because you need to have certification to export to those markets.
Pardon, sorry.
Yeah, have those suppliers passed the compliance of Europe and US?
Yes, sure. Our suppliers had passed the compliance of Europe and the US. For example, one of our American customers required us that all the materials must reach the standard of CA 65. It includes PU materials and hardware both need to be tested. Our suppliers customized materials and got approved. At the same time, the standard of Europe is also very strict, but it's not difficult for us to reach the standard. So if you have a strict standard of environment, please give us to produce, and we ensure your order and your products could reach the standards.
Okay. Apart of the certification, can you tell us which country are your main market and who are your current customer? So just give an example to them so they know your standard.
Currently, our customers come from Korea, native nation, Japan, USA, France, Italy, Russia, and so on. And we also want to expand the market of overseas. So today we want to borrow this platform to introduce our factories, and list many other customers know our factory here.
Okay, so if the buyer would like to have the order with you, do you have any MOQ and the production time? Can you give some details? If the buyer would like to have the order with you, can you give us some information?
Yes, usually our MQ is 300 pieces per stack, and you can select 2 or 3 colors with it. If your quantity is bigger, the price will be more better. You know, our production time usually is 40 days to 55 days. But sometimes if customer have 1 or 2 engine orders, we would like to support and shorten the production time. So it is very flexible way to support our customer. Yeah.
Okay. So compared to other manufacturers, what is your biggest advantage compared to other? So why the buyer would like to choose your company?
Yes, this question is a very key point. We have 3 major advantages of the integration of our factory, such as R&D, strict quality control system, and punctual shipment. Stronger R&D department create a variety of bags shown to our customer each season. Strict quality control system inspect every step, from selecting materials, cutting materials, assembling to packing link. Any flaws will be removed and ensure all the products are 100% qualified. Each procedure has been limited with reasonable produce time, so all the goods could be delivered on time.
Okay, as I know, there are some interesting story behind your company. Can you tell us about the story behind your company?
Yes, there's a very interesting story I want to share with you. Yeah, you know that we have our own brand and register in France. Its name is Depth, and the logo is a dog project. Before our factory is established, our boss pretty love dogs. and he feeding 4 dogs at his home. He takes care of them with passion and joyful. After found the factories, he decided to create a brand for dog, and indeed many customers like a series of depths. Now I will show you some of bags with depth logo. Please, I will show you. For example, this logo, this brand with a dog project. Yes, and other like this, a dog design. Yeah, yeah. And for this one, for this a total bag with a hanging logo is a very cute dog head. Very cute, yeah. Okay. And this also stitching or logo design. Yeah. And for this one. Yeah. And this bags very cute. Yeah. This bags just zeros with depth logo. So actually, our boss is free can't in our daily life. We also free like our boss. He's a kind-hearted man. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have other products to show the customer? Because I think the handbag with the dog is very interesting, and yeah, it's very lovely.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
so many people will love this.
Yeah,
So
it is
more to add. Okay.
The depth design is just one part zeros of our catalog. We have many other kinds of products. For example, ladies bags, backpacks, nylon bags, cabin bags, and many. Yeah.
Do you have
Please.
some to show us now?
Yeah. I will introduce other different styles products to you and the customer.
Okay, please go ahead.
For example, for this one, it is a crossbody bags with a special metal here. A fashion lady maybe will like this. And this bags with a long strap, long belt. Yeah. And this one, similar, but different structures. Yeah. Because, yeah. And each detail is with high handwork, good quality, and metal or light bronze, very nice, and it is very durable. Yeah. Another bags. For this one, yeah. I know the time is very hurry, so I just to show all stack models quickly, and didn't introduce the detail very slowly. Yeah. Just show our design. Yeah. To save the time. For this one, you can use like this. Yeah. Okay. For this bag or total bags, yeah. This bag is very special with the printing design. Very special. So some customer can send the design to us. We can make his photo, his design print on the bags. It's very interesting and sales very good. For these bags, our customer repeat order again and again. Yeah, very special. Yeah, very nice, very young. This bag is cabin bags and print our customers' design. Yeah. And for this is a men's backpack. Yeah. For this bag, the material is nylon combination with PU. Okay. Okay. Our factory support ODM and OEMs cooperation. If you have any designs, you can send to us. We can make simple for you.
Yeah, I think Calvin, one of the I think advantage and unique selling point is you have your own design team, so the buyer can discuss with you how they design, and then they just send you the artwork, and then you can help them to produce the sample. I think this is one of the advantage.
It means usually we will finishing our customer samples depend on the quantity. If you have 1 or 2 simple bags need to be made, we need about 5 to 7 days.
Yeah.
If your quantity is bigger, the time will be longer.
Okay, so thank you very much. I think if the buyer, if they have if they want to contact with you, they will go to apf.com showroom to make the appointment with you to have a one-to-one meeting.
Thank you so long. See you next time. See you.
See you. Bye bye.